Hi everyone, welcome back to Buy or Buy channel. Today we are doing a kitchen gear face-off, Homemade Chef mixing bowls with airtight lids versus Priority Chef premium mixing bowls with lids. We'll break down the features, pros, cons and also the current prices so you can decide which set is right for you. Product and price overview. Let's start with what we will get and how much they cost. Homemade Chef mixing bowls with airtight lids. This set is often sold as a 6-piece set, various bowl sizes plus matching lids. The listed price on Amazon is about $32 United States in many promotions. Priority Chef premium mixing bowls with lids. This set typically includes bowls of sizes from 1.5 up to 5 quarts with airtight lids. It's a more premium option. The exact Amazon listing price fluctuates, but it is positioned somewhat higher due to claims of thicker stainless steel. Feature comparison. Here is how they stack up feature by feature. Material and durability. Homemade Chef uses standard heavy gauge stainless steel, mirror interior and satin exterior. Many users say it feels sturdy. Priority Chef claims their bowls are 33% thicker than industry standard, aiming for more longevity under heavy use. Non-slip or stability. Homemade Chef includes silicone or rubber non-slip bottoms. Reviewers often highlight how the bowls don't slide while mixing. Priority Chef also advertises non-slip bases, which helps during rigorous mixing. Airtight lids or seal quality. Homemade Chef's lids are generally praised, though some users mention the largest bowl lid isn't always perfectly tight under heavy use. Priority Chef markets that their lids are BPA-free and tighter fitting, possibly better for food storage, marinating or liquids. Nesting and storage. Homemade Chef bowls nest neatly and color-coded lids reduce confusion when storing. Priority Chef also promises good nesting and compact storage, though less emphasis on color coding in listing I saw. Ease of cleaning. Homemade Chef bowls are dishwasher safe, though many users recommend hand washing the lids to preserve the seal. Priority Chef appears to follow similar expectations. Bowls are dishwasher safe, but fewer detailed reviews specifically about long-term lid durability after repeated dishwasher cycles. Pros, cons and best use cases. Let's talk strengths, weaknesses and which kind of user each set suits best. Homemade Chef pros and cons. Pros: great value, solid all-round performance, stable mixing due to non-slip base, good for everyday kitchen needs. Cons: lids specifically for the largest bowl may not seal perfectly under heavy use. Steel is solid but not extra thick. Priority Chef pros and cons. Pros: more premium feel, claims of thicker steel, potentially better lid sealing, good for heavy or frequent use. Cons: likely higher price and premium claims are partly marketing real-world durability, must be judged from users' reviews over time. Best use cases. Choose Homemade Chef if you want a dependable, full-featured set at a lower cost, perfect for most home cooks. Choose Priority Chef if you expect heavy frequent use, want extra robustness or prioritize better lid performance for storing or marinating foods. Wrap up and call to action. So there you have it, a side-by-side comparison between Homemade Chef approximately $32 and Priority Chef premium pricing. If you want a solid, balanced set that does mixing and storage well, Homemade Chef is hard to beat. But if durability and better sealing are priorities, Priority Chef might be worth the extra cost. Links to both products are in the description. Check current prices and read current reviews before buying. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe and comment below. Which set would you pick or do you already own one? I'll see you next time.